This summer, Dubai isn't just getting hotter, it's also getting more exciting. Imagine a city transformed into a massive playground of exceptional deals and exhilarating experiences. From June 28th to September 1st, Dubai becomes your ultimate summer destination with the Dubai Summer Surprises Festival. Dive into the world of retail therapy like never before. Whether you're hunting for the latest in fashion, top-notch electronics, or unique gifts, the city's malls offer unmatched shopping deals, and if you feel lucky, join in the raffle draws. Who knows? You might just bag more than bargains. But it's not just about shopping. Families can look forward to a variety of fun activities. From theme parks to adventure spots, every corner of the city promises excitement for all ages. And for those planning a quick weekend escape, leading hotels across Dubai are rolling out tempting discounts. As the temperatures rise, the deals get hotter and the adventures more thrilling. Make sure Dubai Summer Surprises is on your calendar. This is not just another summer, it's your gateway to an unforgettable season packed with excitement and savings.